Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a full WordPress website in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to fully delete WordPress from, click on this dashboard button. Now go to website, click on auto installer and wait a moment in order to see the installed applications on this website. As you see here, I have a WordPress website, and to delete it, simply click on these three dots and select delete. Here, make sure to check all of these boxes to fully delete WordPress from this website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, make sure to check all of these boxes to fully delete WordPress from this website and hit delete again. Wait a moment for this to complete, and make sure to not close this little window to not stop this process. And as you see, WordPress uninstalled successfully, and this is how to fully delete WordPress from your website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.